Hello, people. Good morning. Julie and I got a chance this weekend to go to the Nosferatu Festival. We actually wanted to try to vend there, but they actually have grown, and I think there was 50-something vendor applications, and they only had about 24 spots. So unfortunately, we did not make it in to the show, but we did go check it out. Going to show you here a video, a little bit of a walkthrough, and check it out. How's it going?
Good, how are you? Good. Welcome to the Factorum Monstrum.
Tell us a little bit about your creations here and where we can find you online, so if someone wants to buy some of this amazing stuff.
Yes. So everything we do is hand cast, hand poured, hand painted resin. Everything is done locally here in Austin, Texas. We basically just do everything that you're seeing here. A lot of our pieces are custom made, one of a kind. A lot of them are blacklight reactive.
That's cool.
A lot of them do glow in the dark as well. So we just kind of do weird stuff that we want to see, and sometimes people like it.
Awesome. And where can we find you at?
We are on Instagram at Factorum Monstrum. Let's see here. That's one of them right there. So it's Instagram.com/Factorum Monstrum.
All right, guys, go check them out. They got some really awesome stuff.
Thanks for coming out, Steve. So my laptop, my old ass laptop, has a lot of cool stickers on it. I'm like, damn it. Stuff I got from like Coop at like these car shows and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, man, I bought this one man itself, and now it's just.
But here you can see there, like. It looks like a.
Oh yeah. It's like an infection.
I'm not the artist, but the artist is actually in the back. I'm the dude who holds my hair. Gotta take it all.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh, that's cool. They change colors.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Very cool.
Thank you.
Awesome.
I'm just trying to figure out how it's like.
She's the artist. I was trying to draw it. I have no art.
In Minneapolis?
A little bit.
I mean, there's a little bit of it.
Years ago. That was when 30,000 people show up on Saturday. It was on the same weekend as like Comic Con or something. That's the first time I ever saw Friday Night.
don't come. Yeah. Feel like you know. Before you know, people don't come. We certainly are. I mean, yeah, that's the same thing.
You were just explaining one episode to me, like this 15-minute talk. I was sleeping in the car. Right, you need to see the whole. I got 5 minutes.